Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to fix guys color correction on Oppo phone device. Friends, you have guys your color correction problem, so how to fix color correction today friends I am going to show you. And friends, you don't know about what is color correction, so I will show you in this video. So friends, you can check your phone icon color, and friends now you can check my phone icon color has totally changed and screen color is changed. So how can I fix this problem on my Oppo phone device today friends? I am going to show you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on your Oppo phone additional setting. After on additional setting friends, you can see a language setting. Friends, you want to change your phone language, you can change. Friends, you want to change your phone date and time, so you can change date and time. So friends, we will click on phone accessibility. After on accessibility friends, you can see there are many settings of how to solve color correction. Friends, click on your Oppo phone this color correction setting, friends, tap here. Friend, you have on by mistake, so friends you will have to only tap here. Friends, your problem will solve. Friends, come back. Friends, you can check your Oppo phone screen, problem has solved. Friends, you can check phone icon color, and friends you can check your phone screen display color. Your problem will solve on your Oppo phone device. So like that we can solve color correction problem from accessibility setting guys. Click on accessibility setting, and friends you want to use this color correction, so friends you can on and you can change your screen color mode with red, green and blue, yellow you want to change, so you can change. And friends, your screen show this type of interface, so same friends you will have to click on your phone color correction, your problem will solve. So like that we can use color correction, and friends we can solve color correction on our Oppo phone device. So bye guys.